This is my sister's Morris Mini. It's a Mini K. They're Australian assembled. She's decided to respray it, and they come across some rust. That's the colour it's going to be, which is just a tad darker than what it was. So I've got a little bit of experience at doing rust repair, so we have an issue here. There's a double panel in this section. We have an inside panel, an outside panel. They're spot welded together along this seam, and under this is just like a dressing that goes on top to make it look neater, so it doesn't look daggy like that. But so I've cut some metal. This bit was all, the inside's all rusty. So I cut the outside first. I'll cut this piece off first. Then we get in here. Unfortunately, the rust goes around the corner here, so that'll make it a bit tricky, but I've got to clean this up a bit more. There's rust here, got to remove that to get a kind of a clean edge along here. Take it back to where it's solid metal. Unfortunately, I went in a bit too far there. I've gone right through, but nothing the welder and the grinder won't fix. So that's the good metal. Solid metal here. I'll weld to. So I'll do this inside bit, and then I'll make a patch, and I'll do this outside one. And the other side, while it looks good, it hides. It looks good, but what's actually happened is somebody's already cut out in there, so the inside bit's all missing. So I'll have to do, there's a patch here, looks like a patch there possibly, but I'll have to have a look, investigate here, see that's missing. There's only one layer of metal here, so it's missing all there. I'm gonna have to get the grinder out, find out exactly what's going on here, pull this. There's slipped a piece of metal between the two panels and then just bogged over the top. So that'll be another video, we'll have a look there. Otherwise it's not too bad for an old car. But they've been working on it for a while now. And I'll post some more videos as we progress and get those rust holes repaired, and then they can get back to doing the bodywork and painting it.